a mysterious spice lord known as Jean. True to form, he's holding a lavish ball in his newly purchased ancestral power. The reason? Treason? Jean believes displaying the Red Bull will bring him the wings, and maybe they will. Oh, it will.
With the drawbridge up, the only way across that river is up the drawbridge. Do you remember how to jump?
Whenever I'm near pointed objects, I just need to jump and hit the butt. There seem to be plenty of branches for me to walk on, so when playing talk,
No,
it might take some time, but I'll figure out a way to get up there.
Looks like the wings have been on that statue. They look heavy. Getting the wings out of here will be a real bitch. That's him. John's really pulled out all the cops to impress people. John's a member of the Claw Gang and Canadian shit. That's the she must be working for Interpol. Bitch. Officer undercover. Watch your cover. This party is crawling with cops.